Hello and welcome back to From Seed to Plate. My channel makes videos centered around growing plants and then cooking with them. Today we will be growing cilantro from seed. You will need a small pot, some potting soil, and cilantro seeds. To start, fill your pot up with potting soil until there is half an inch of room left. Then, in the middle of the pot, dig half an inch into the soil and plant 3 cilantro seeds there. Cover these seeds back up with the soil you displaced and you're done. These must be grown outside, as changing their climate stresses them out. You should plant these 2 weeks before the last frost of the year, so late winter. If you live in the mild climate, you could also plant these in fall. Cilantro is hardy, so you can plant them anywhere where they get at least 4 or more hours of sun per day. After these are planted, with appropriate sun and water, they should emerge in 10 to 15 days. Mature cilantro looks like this. There should be many medium-sized green leaves on long stems. Once it looks like this, cut or pull stems off the plant to harvest. A recipe you can make with cilantro is ají verde with Yuca Fritas. This dish is great for sharing, and the ají verde itself is somewhat adjustable, allowing you to change the flavors of the dish how you'd like. This ají verde recipe comes from the website Food and Wine, and it was written by Jasmine Smith. The Yuca Fritas recipe is from The Spruce Eats, and it was written by Marian Blazes. To start, let's make the ají verde. You will need half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, more or less 2 packed cups of cilantro, 1 garlic clove, 5 green onions, 1 tablespoon of ají amarillo, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The tools you will need are a food processor or blender, a cutting board, a knife, measuring cups, and something to store the ají verde in. Chop up the cilantro, the garlic, and the green onions. We are only doing this so everything fits into the food processor, so no need to cut finely. Make sure to wash your produce before cutting. Next, place everything into the food processor and combine until everything is evenly mixed. Place your ají verde into a container and keep it in the fridge. Keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour before serving. Now we will make the yuca fritas. You will need 2 to 3 yuca roots, enough vegetable oil to fill your pan with 1 inch of oil, and salt for flavor. For tools, you'll need a big knife, a little knife, a cutting board, a big pot, a pan to fry these in, and a slotted spoon. To begin, peel your yuca root by cutting the skin off with whatever knife works better for you. The cutting of yuca can be hard, so if you need an adult to do it for you, please ask for their help. Then, cut each root in half so you have multiple cylinders with a big knife. Then, cut the yuca in half again so you have half cylinders, again with a big knife. Take out the middle core of the yuca root with a small knife. Boil a big pot of water, then add salt. Boil your yuca until it turns yellow and somewhat translucent and is easily pierced by a fork. This should take about 20 to 30 minutes. Once it's cooked, drain out all of the water from your big pot. Take your boiled yuca out of the pot to check to see if there's any fibrous core pieces still left in the center of each piece. Cut the yuca into thick rectangles. Heat the 1 inch of oil in the pan at medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, fry the yuca pieces in batches until each piece is golden brown all over. While frying, use your slotted spoon to flip and move the yuca so the cook is even. Take each piece out of the pan and place it onto a plate lined with paper towels. Serve with the ají verde. Good job! Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you like this recipe. I really like the sauce the way it is, but it's also cool that you can add other stuff like mint or jalapenos should you choose to change the flavor up. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to see more. I also have an Instagram, so click on the link in my bio to follow me there too. Thank you!